I just want to make a short video today because some of you have had questions about using the Digi. What I've done is I've already opened the files that I want to be working with today. And then the first thing I'm going to do is open a new file. And I usually go ahead and use 8.5 by 11 because that's what size paper is going into my printer. Make sure it's on a 300 resolution so that your print will be nice. And then create that. Also, if I know what size card I'm going to be making, I like to drag some guides. So I will drag a guide out to 4.25 by 5.5. That way I can place everything just like I want it on the card. Okay, the first one I'm going to start with is the cat on the tree. So you're just going to copy, go back to your new page you opened, and paste that in. Now you can move it with the move tool, which is right up here on top in Photoshop. You can move it and you can resize it if you would like to as well. And I think for this one, I'm just going to basically fill the whole space and move it up to the top just a little bit. Right there. Really easy. The next thing I'm going to do is get the mouse and I'm going to copy this little guy and then come back to my page and paste him in. I'm going to turn him just like this and going to arrange him right up here. I'm going to zoom in and make sure that, oops. If you get crooked, you can click on the crop button, it'll straighten out. Okay, go back to the move tool, and now I can see better and adjust it just the way I want. Okay, now I'm gonna get the sentiment that says, I love you forever. And I'm going to just copy and paste that right in. And paste. Now in Photoshop, I find that it helps to click the edges before you start. Otherwise, sometimes it's difficult to move. And a lot of times, instead of having to cut my font or my sentiment out, I just go ahead and put it right on the card. And then you are ready to go ahead and print that if you want. But if you're like me, I like extras just in case I mess something up or I want something that's ready and printed to go later. So you'll take the move tool and start up in the upper left corner, maybe right if you're left-handed, but anyway, you're just going to drag over the whole image, and once it's selected, you will copy all of that and paste. Click on the corner and then arrange it in another square. Another way you can do that is by clicking on layers and just duplicate the layers. There we go. Or just continue hitting the paste button and it'll just continue to put more on the page for you. And now you're all ready for print. Thanks for watching. Bye.